Here's the updated forecast. Heavy snow will increase this evening. We could get 6 inches in downtown Portland. That snow gradually changing to freezing rain overnight. Temperatures will get into the teens, and the freezing rain will continue through Sunday. We'll have strong winds out of the gorge, and blizzard warnings are in effect for the west end of the gorge. Right now, snow is falling, 23 degrees. This is continuing severe weather coverage every 15 minutes. Breaking news as it happens. I'm Charlie Maxton, KFM 60.
Bye-bye.
Turn around and kiss me twice. No, it's
Speed. It's out. He's gonna hit you. He's coming in for landing. Ugly Cam.
cool. I led you right in front of the camera. And who you calling ugly?
Bye-bye.